Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this look. First I'm using a wet wipes to clean my model face. Then I'm going to use a toner which can help you to minimize your pore and make your skin hydrate. Then I'm going to use a light base moisturizer to moisturize her skin as she is oily and sensitive skin. So I need to keep it mind. Then I'm going to use a primer for a smooth base with a blurry effect and long lasting makeup. Then I am using a dark shade concealer to conceal her all the problematic area like where she have pigmentation, dark circle and any dark spot. Then blend it properly with a concealer brush and wait for 5 minutes for set the concealer. After 5 minutes, I am going to use the foundation. As you can see, I am use a very little amount of foundation. Then spread the foundation all over the face using a foundation brush. After that, I am going to use a beauty blender. You can try this technique and you will get a airbrush finish makeup. Now I am doing highlight the face using a light shade concealer. Then blend it properly using the same beauty blender. Now I am taking a dark shade concealer to contour her face as she has a double chin. So I am doing it to sculpt her face. After that I am going to blend all the contour using a contour brush. Then I am going to use a cream blush which will give her an instant flush look. Then use a setting powder to set all the cream products. Using powder contour or bronzer to set the cream contour. Using powder blush to set the cream blush. After that I am going to use a highlighter on the highlighted points. To set all the powder product I am going to use a setting spray. After that I did the eyebrows first. Then did a simple but elegant eye makeup. As you can see, I am create the 3 dots, then merge them properly and blend it slowly. Using same color eyeshadow, I just blend the outer corner also. Then use a lighter shade transition color and blend it on top of the crease. After that, I am taking a shimmer shade and apply it on middle of the lid. Then again blend everything together for a smooth finish. After that I just did the highlight the eyebrow bone. Then apply the eyeliner and kajal. I set the kajal using black eyeshadow and set the eyelash. Draw the lips using a brown lip liner. Then apply a nude shade lipstick first. Then use a lip gloss for get a glossy lips. Then I just fix the final, and this is the final look. I hope you love watching and seeing the video. If you love the video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye bye, मिलते हैं next video में.